Okay, in this video I wanted to make a demonstration of the issue we were describing in this forum post about we suspected there was monochromatic rendering when we tried to apply textures to a primitive, and I wanted to show it here. So having an example scene here, it's a cube, and this on the right represents, extracted the primitive I wanted to apply a texture to and show that the same behavior exists here in isolation. And I think I don't know how to fix it, but I understand why, and hopefully I can give clues to other people on what I can change or how to fix this. So we'll select the cube, and we're going to add a preview surface texture. And then in that texture, we're going to select in this Omniverse logo. Okay, so you can see that works. That's exactly what you would expect. And when I try to apply the same thing, actually I don't need to create a material. I can just select here. When you try to do it here, it's just all black. And this is the behavior we were describing in this forum post. I was trying to compare the two primitives, and you'll notice that on the cube it has this face indices and counts, and that's how it kind of subdivides up and knows how to display the image. And this primitive is different. It do have let's see. It seems like there's a way to copy. Yeah, so there's a tremendous amount of vertices here. It's too long. And I think it's due to, if you zoom in, this primitive has a bunch of holes on it, right? So it's causing the image to not know how to render on it and stuff. Same thing, you can right click and copy counts. Wow, it's very slow. And then I found some, let's see, there's some documentation on, the subdivision of faces in order to interpolate things, but I couldn't find any API about the actual geometry face. I guess this is a geometry API with the face properties or something, and the actual input is face vertex indices and face vertex counts. I think these are not something you would ever manually edit, which is why they're grayed out. It's something that is like an inherent property of the geometry. Anyways, so that's the difference, and I think that's why I'm suspecting that this other person was also attempting to add the PNG to a particular primitive which didn't have the correct interpolation. So hopefully that explains the problem, and maybe someone knows an easy solution. I think it would be to kind of override the indice and counts, and to basically make the image texture think that it's being applied to a regular cube on this thing, right? So it would basically ignore all these holes and render them as if they weren't there. But I don't know how to do that. So, okay, thanks.